E-Blue, RGB, removable space house is a new design solution for an affordable, eco-friendly, and unique resort, estate build option. We have the standard, spacious version, and a desert VIP version that withstands harsh weather. The house is durable, sturdy, energy efficient. It can turn farming, mountains, beaches, deserts, safaris, theme parks, and wilderness areas into a resort, estate with time and cost savings. Our packages included RGB, interior decor outfits, bathrooms, air conditioning, furniture and shipment.